Welcome to HRPreparation.com, India's first e-learning platform for HR competitive exams. We are here with one more HR recruitment notification. This notification is from OHPC, Odisha Hydropower Corporation Limited. This is the notification for MT HR 2022. Here we can see important dates. Online registration starts from 12th October and last date to submission is 11th November. Tentative exam date. Date will be mentioned in hall ticket, but exam will be held in December. Number of vacancies. For MTHR, 1 vacancy for ST, 1 vacancy for SC, and 5 vacancies for unreserved. Emoluments. For MT, during training it's 28,000 rupees and on regularization it will be 56,100 rupees to 1,77,500 rupees. After training, designation will be Assistant Manager with E3 level. Educational qualification for MT is PG degree or Diploma in HR or PM or IR with 2 years full-time degree. Selection process. There is CBT with 120 MCQs with 2 parts. Part 1 is subject knowledge and Part 2 is general aptitude. Time duration is 2 hours and negative marking is also there for wrong answer. Please refer notification for better understanding.
For inquiries, please call or WhatsApp on given contact number. For more details, visit our website www.hrpreparation.com. Happy learning!